Hello everyone, it's pyGuru this side, and today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to install Kali Linux on your Windows platform. So for this we'll be following three simple steps. The first will be we will enable hypervisor on our Windows 11. So for this simply go to your search bar and type features, and you will get this option turn Windows features on or off. So just wait for this window to open. Scroll down and here you will find the option for Windows hypervisor platform. If it's unclicked on your system, simply click it and click on OK. It will ask you to restart your system, so simply restart it. Then you can check if hypervisor is enabled or not. Just simply type Control or Delete and open Task Manager. Go to this Performance tab, and here you can see virtualization is enabled. Okay, so if it's disabled, you have to turn off the hypervisor by this method that I have shown. Otherwise, you can turn it on from the BIOS. You can check out some tutorial on YouTube for the same. The next step will be we have to download and install VirtualBox. Open this URL. I'll just paste this link in the video description. You can just go there and download directly from here. So scroll down and click on this download option once it gets loaded. Okay. And then you have to download, and secondly you have to install it. So before installing it, let's just download the Kali Linux because it's a little large in file size. So to download it, just go to Kali Linux page, which is kali.org, and here in the downloads, click on the download button. And then there are a number of ways by which you can install Kali Linux on your system. We are using the virtual machine method. You can directly install it using the install images, but we'll be using this method because let's say if anything goes wrong, we can simply just remove it and restart a new virtual machine. So this one is easy for beginners and it takes less space in memory. So here on my Windows system, I have only 8 GB of RAM. So it's just works fine for me. But if you have a higher memory, then it will be working good. Okay. Anyways, all you have to do is click on virtual machines, and then here you have to select the platform. Now we have installed the VirtualBox, so you have to click on this download button. I've already downloaded all the VirtualBox and Kali Linux image, so I'll simply just go to my download folder. Then first of all, I'll install VirtualBox on my system. So simply just double click on it and click on yes, and click on next. I accept the terms, next, and then next, and click on yes. Finally click on next and then click on installed, and it will be installed on the system. Now it takes a little time, so let it get installed. Till then, what you have to do, we have to extract the Kali Linux. Okay, so it's installed. Let me just open it. Just let's click on finish now. And let me turn off the task manager here. So once it's installed, we have this page here. And from here, we can manage our virtual machines. So for this, our first virtual machine is Kali Linux, okay, which we have downloaded from here. So we have to unzip it. This is a zip file which is around 3.2 GB file size. So right click on it on WinRAR, and then I'll click on extract files, and then I'll select my folder to my E drive in my CEH folder, and then here I will click a new folder, and then I click on OK and let it get extracted. It will take around a minute. So let it get extracted, then we'll learn how to simply install it. Now this is the simplest process to install Kali Linux on your system. So it's nearly done now. I'll click on add and then select the file that we've just extracted. We'll go to CEH and then I'll select my folder. Inside this, I'll have my file here. So I click on open. and we will simply open it. Before you start it, click on settings. If you want to update anything, you can update it from here. As I have only 8 GB of RAM, I'll not touch anything and keep everything on default. I'll simply click on display and turn on the recording for recording purpose, and then click on OK. Now I'll click on start. Now it will take a little time to power up. Let's wait for it. And here it's installing, opening it for me. So again, it will take some time. Let's just get it configured and will be presented with the Kali Linux screen. So currently it's booting. You can just remove these notifications and then wait. Here it's asking for username password. We'll just type Kali, and password also is Kali, and we'll simply click on login. Okay, so it will start the Kali Linux for us. On here, now we can just maximize. So we are at the Kali Linux desktop. Now let's quickly test if it's working or not. So we'll open a terminal here. Let's just right click and click on open terminal here, and we can open the terminal here. First of all, we can see we are on the desktop here. So we'll check if we are connected with internet or not. So we'll simply type ping command and then enter google.com. Here we are getting the response back from google.com. It means we are connected. Also, we can try creating a new file on our desktop. So I'll simply type cat new.txt, and here a new file will be created for us. Just open this file and double click on it, and we can see there's nothing here. We can start anything. Hello world like this. So let's just close this. And if you want to see the tools, here are all the tools available with Kali Linux. Okay. Also, you can check the documentation page. So here you can go to Kali Linux, and then we can just scroll up now and come back to home page or kali.org, and on the documentation, you can click on tools documentation. And here you can read about all the tools that you want. So in the upcoming tutorial, we'll try to learn about these tools one by one. So this is it for this video, guys. If you love this video, leave a like or a dislike. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.